Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today I have a great product from a vendor who sent it to me. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is by AlbTub. And if you're a person who has a pet, a dog in particular, and you like to go hiking, or you find yourself in positions where you need to give your dog a drink. If you're like me, I go hiking with my dog Winnie. I go hiking, and you get back to the car, or you're on the hike itself, and you have a water bottle for yourself, and you end up trying to pour water down her throat or something. It just doesn't work. You're holding your hand for her to drink water out of. It just never works out right. So, how cool is this? You have this water jug. You can fill it up. It almost holds a gallon of water, and here on the bottom, it has this removable bowl. How cool is that? Whether you brought it with you, put it in your backpack, or you had it back at the car, how convenient is that? Have something like this in your car, in your backpack, on your strapped to your belt. I think this is awesome. Inside, they have a spare washer and a spare plug for the top here. So if you ever lose it, they have a spare washer for you. And let's just open this up here. So it opens up right here, and you can just pour. It's very, very cool, and seals very good. And they have a spare seal for the top here too, inside. So won't leak. So I think the only thing left to do is I'm going to take Winnie outside and play with her and get her a little bit tired so she wants to drink water, and show you that she'll drink out of the water bowl. Okay. Here we go. All right, let's put the ball away. Oh, yeah, go. This for Winnie for water. Here, water right here. Right here, look. This is new. Look. Yeah. Down here, look. Water, come here. How cool is that? Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome. Your new water bowl.